Now claim your token on Silencio Airdrop. So if you come to your Silencio app, then you locate here, you can see. So when you come here, you're going to see that your final airdrop is here. You can see it was actually more than this morning, but has reduced. So I believe that is my final airdrop. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see beta airdrop. It said claim your exclusive one-time reward of being part of a beta plan something. So you have just 21 days to actually claim this. For you to claim, you click on claim your reward. Then you'll be asked to select your country. I'm going to select Nigeria. Then you can see the disclaimer. Then it says some country are actually restricted. Then here you are going to do your KYC. So I'm going to enter my name. Then I'm going to, you click confirm. So then it said accept the terms and condition. Then you swipe to claim. So let's see. So it said congratulations, you claim a total of 100. So you will receive 50% immediately, and the remaining 50% will be vested linearly over 6 months. So in my own opinion, I think this is actually cool. I actually started this. I started farming it, let's say roughly 2 days ago. So go and check yours and complete your KYC, be able to claim your token. You get the point. So I will click on I understand. So it said stake. So in my own opinion, I don't advise people to stake any coin. So I'm going to click on continue without staking. To send to exchange option is not available yet. So what you need to actually do is to actually complete your KYC and claim it. So if you go to the profile, you can just come here. You can see here. They are going to see your allocation. As at yesterday, I saw something like send around this place. So as you get more data on how to send it to exchange, you're going to make a video and post it on this channel. So do well to subscribe, like our video, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel so that you can join like-minded people and they can also guide you through in making money online. See you next time for more exciting updates.